Looking for the best moving truck rental company? The right choice depends on your budget, moving distance, and the type of move you're planning. If you want the best overall option, U-Haul is hard to beat. It has the largest rental network, a wide range of truck sizes, trailers, cargo vans, one-way rentals, making it a great choice for both local and long-distance moves. For long-distance moves, Penske is a top contender. It's known for its newer fleet, dependable roadside assistance, and unlimited mileage on many one-way rentals, making it ideal for cross-country moves. If saving money is your priority, budget truck rental is worth considering. It frequently offers competitive pricing, discounts, and one-way rental options, making it a popular choice for cost-conscious movers. Planning a move across town? Enterprise Truck Rental is best suited for local moves. It offers pickup trucks, cargo vans, and box trucks through many neighborhood locations. But one-way rentals are generally not available. Need a truck for just a few hours? The Home Depot Truck Rental is a great option for furniture pickups, home improvement projects, or short local moves with its convenient hourly rentals. Before choosing a company, don't compare price alone. Look at truck size, mileage charges, fuel policies, one-way availability, roadside assistance, insurance options, equipment rentals, and customer reviews. The cheapest advertised rate isn't always the lowest total cost. The best moving truck rental company is the one that fits your move, not someone else's. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit MoversCom and contact us to plan a smarter, easier, and more affordable move. Like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our moving guides and relocation tips.